The day stretches before you like an endless race, each tick of the clock a pulse of pressure. Your inbox overflows, deadlines loom, and a restless hum of tasks drowns out your thoughts. You're moving fast, yet falling behind, as if speed itself betrays you. What if the secret to true productivity lies not in racing forward but in slowing down? Not in doing more, but in being more deliberate, more present, more alive in each moment. This is the wisdom of Stoic philosophy, a timeless guide to work smarter, not harder. Welcome to Stoicism Exercises number 17, brought to you by Stoic Rain, where Stoicism exercises spark Stoicism motivation, nurture mental health, and guide Stoicism for beginners. Ready to boost your productivity? Say, I slow to soar in the I. Comments, and let's dive into 15 transformative Stoicism practices to reframe your Stoicism daily life. Stoic philosophy isn't about retreating from life's demands. It's about meeting them with clarity, from chaotic schedules to fleeting focus and quiet doubts. Drawing on Marcus Aurelius's discipline and Seneca's insight, these Stoicism exercises blend purpose and pause to sharpen mindfulness, enhance productivity, and deepen self-improvement. Whether you're seeking Stoicism for women, exploring Stoicism on love, or embracing Stoicism lessons as a beginner, this guide is your path to deliberate action. Meet 7 people who transformed their work with Stoicism practice. Then try 15 groundbreaking Stoicism exercises to reduce anxiety and thrive. Elena, a 32-year-old graphic designer, felt crushed by client revisions and creative blocks, dimming her spark. The Pause of Purpose practice reignited her focus, boosting her mental health. Stoicism for women restored her art. Rahul, a 46-year-old store manager, grappled with staff conflicts and inventory chaos, fraying his patience. The anchor of intent practice grounded him, enhancing his productivity. Stoicism motivation steadied his leadership. Zoe, a 29-year-old journalist, faced relentless news cycles and social media noise, clouding her clarity. The filter of focus practice shielded her, fostering self-improvement. Stoicism practice sharpened her voice. Matteo, a 38-year-old teacher, juggled grading and student demands, leaving him drained. The rhythm of presence practice anchored him, nurturing mindfulness. Stoicism for beginners balanced his classroom. Fatima, a 33-year-old startup founder, battled investor rejections and burnout, shaking her vision. The stillness of clarity practice lifted her, empowering self-improvement. Stoicism lessons fueled her drive. Victor, a 51-year-old paramedic, felt worn by long shifts and emotional weight, dulling his resolve. The pulse of duty practice realigned him, sparking motivation. Stoic philosophy deepened his care. Sana, a 26-year-old customer service rep, wrestled with rude calls and monotony, sapping her energy. The spark of meaning practice energized her, boosting productivity. Stoicism daily habits lit her path. Elena, Rahul, Zoe, Matteo, Fatima, Victor, and Sana show Stoic philosophy turns chaos into deliberate action, from work to heart to soul. Here are 15 revolutionary Stoicism exercises to forge your Stoicism mindset. Ideal for Stoicism relationships, Stoicism for beginners, and those seeking Stoicism daily productivity. Top 15 Stoicism exercises to boost productivity by slowing down. Pause of purpose, start with intent. Begin at once to live and count each day as a new life. Seneca each morning, sip water slowly for 20 seconds, savoring its coolness. Name one purposeful task like sketching a design. Focus on its why, then say, my pause ignites. Draw a sun in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism exercise sparks Stoicism motivation, boosting mental health. Elena paused to create with joy. Anchor of intent. Ground your actions. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Marcus Aurelius, when chaos erupts like a team dispute, press your feet into the floor for 12 seconds, picturing an anchor steadying a ship. Name one controllable action, like listening calmly. Do it, then say, my anchor holds, Sketch a line in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism practice enhances productivity, grounding Stoicism daily focus. Rahul anchored to lead with calm. Filter of focus, block distractions. You don't have to have an opinion about that. Marcus Aurelius, when noise overwhelms like notifications, rub your ears gently for 10 seconds, imagining a filter blocking static. Name one task to prioritize, like writing a lead. Act on it, then say, my filter clears. Draw a square in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism exercise fosters self-improvement, easing anxiety. Zoe filtered to write with clarity. Rhythm of presence. Work in the now. Each day provides its own gifts. Marcus Aurelius, midday, when tasks pile up, stand still for 15 seconds, feeling your breath's rhythm. Picture a metronome keeping time. Name one present action, like grading a paper. Do it, then say, my rhythm flows. Mark a dot in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism practice nurtures mindfulness, strengthening Stoicism for beginners. Matteo rhythmed to teach with focus. Stillness of clarity, reframe chaos. There is only one way to happiness, to cease worrying about things beyond our power. Epictetus, when stress spikes like a rejected pitch, close your eyes for 12 seconds, picturing a still lake reflecting truth. Ask, what can I control? Act on one step, like refining your plan, then say, my stillness shines. Draw a circle in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism exercise empowers self-improvement, sparking Stoicism motivation. Fatima stilled to rebuild her startup. Pulse of duty. Honor your role. It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Epictetus. Each morning, twist a pen for 10 seconds, picturing a pulse driving your heart. Name one duty, like aiding a patient. Act on it, then say, my pulse endures. Sketch a wave in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism practice fuels motivation, grounding Stoic philosophy. Victor pulsed to serve with care. Spark of meaning, find joy in routine. Think of what you have rather than of what you lack. Seneca, when monotony drags like repetitive calls, hold a small item, a coin or key, for 15 seconds, feeling its weight. Name one way your work matters, like helping a customer. Act on it, then say, my spark glows. Draw a star in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism exercise boosts mental health, reframing Stoicism lessons. Sana sparked to engage with warmth. Veil of patience. Soften haste. Patience is an invincible challenge. Seneca, when urgency presses like a tight deadline, press your palms together for 10 seconds, picturing a veil calming a storm. Ask, what's one steady step? Take it like outlining a task, then say, my veil steadies. Draw a curve in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism exercise strengthens Stoicism relationships, fostering Stoicism on love. Elena veiled to design with calm. Crest of courage. Face procrastination. The only way to ease our fear is to face it. Seneca, before a daunting task, like a tough article, clench your fists for 12 seconds, picturing a crest rising above. Waves. Name one bold step, like drafting a paragraph. Do it, then say, my crest rises. Draw a peak in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism exercise empowers self-improvement, igniting Stoicism motivation. Zoe crested to write fearlessly. Stream of release. Let go of noise. All things are in flux. The flux is subject to change. Heraclitus, when distractions flood, like social media, trace your wrist for 15 seconds, picturing a stream washing away clutter. Name one thing to release, like checking feeds. Let it go, then say, my stream cleanses. Draw a wavy line in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism exercise eases anxiety, enhancing mindfulness. Rahul streamed to manage with focus. Q, pillar of simplicity. Prioritize essentials. No man is free who is not master of himself. Epictetus, when tasks overwhelm, like grading piles, rub your thumbs for 10 seconds, picturing a pillar standing firm. Ask what's most essential. Act on one priority, like marking one essay, then say, my pillar grounds. Sketch a rectangle in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism exercise enhances productivity, grounding Stoicism for beginners. Matteo, pillared to teach efficiently. Glow of reflection, review your day. Examine your day before you sleep. Seneca at night, sit quietly for 12 seconds, picturing a glow lighting your actions. Ask, did I work with purpose? Note 1, when, like staying patient, then say, my glow reveals. Draw a crescent in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism exercise deepens self-improvement, strengthening Stoicism lessons. Victor glowed to grow as a paramedic. Arc of empathy, connect with others. Kindness is invincible, provided it's sincere. Marcus Aurelius, when tension rises like a client's complaint, hum softly for 8 seconds, picturing an arc, linking hearts. Ask, what's their struggle? Offer empathy like a kind word, then say, my arc binds. Draw an arc in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism exercise strengthens Stoicism relationships, fostering Stoicism on love. Sana arst, to serve with care. Frame of gratitude. Reframe challenges. Nothing is more honorable than a grateful heart. Seneca, each evening, hold a small object, a ring or stone, for 15 seconds, feeling its texture. List 3 gifts, like a team's support or a tough lesson's wisdom. Write how one shapes you, then say, my frame lifts. Draw a triangle in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism practice boosts mental health, reframing Stoicism lessons. Fatima framed 2. Find strength. 15. Dawn of discipline. Plan deliberately. Well-being is realized by small steps, but it's no small thing. Zeno, each sunrise. Stretch your arms for 20 seconds, picturing a dawn breaking through fog. Plan one deliberate act, like pitching an idea. Do it, then say, my dawn drives. Mark a sun in your Stoicism journal. This Stoicism practice sparks Stoicism motivation, uplifting productivity. Elena dawned to design with purpose. These 15 Stoicism exercises are your compass to boost productivity by slowing down, turning haste, noise, and doubt into focus, purpose, and calm. They reduce anxiety, enhance productivity, and transform your work. Whether you're new to Stoicism for beginners or refining Stoicism practice, these Stoicism lessons weave Stoic quotes with actionable steps for mindfulness and self-improvement. Perfect for Stoicism for women, Stoicism on love, or anyone seeking Stoicism daily habits. They reframe how you work. Start with one Stoicism exercise, like pause of purpose for intent or filter of focus for clarity. Practice it for 7 days. Track it in your Stoicism journal, and watch your Stoic philosophy thrive. These Stoicism daily practices are your forge, crafting a life of deliberate action and calm. Stoic philosophy isn't for idleness. It's for real people like Elena reigniting creativity, Rahul leading with calm, Zoe cutting through noise, Matteo balancing duties, Fatima defying setbacks, Victor serving with heart, Sana finding meaning, or you mastering your day. These Stoicism exercises fit into hectic schedules, taking moments but delivering lasting focus. They steady you, whether facing deadlines, conflicts, or monotony. For Stoicism relationships, they build empathy. For Stoicism motivation, they spark discipline. For Stoicism for beginners, they make productivity tangible. Stoicism isn't about rushing through tasks. It's about mastering what matters, your focus, your intent, your heart. Picture a frantic moment, a flooded inbox, a tight deadline, a fading spark. Instead of racing, you say, I slow to soar. That's Stoic philosophy at work, fueled by Stoic quotes. These Stoicism exercises are your anchor, crafting a Stoicism mindset that works deliberately. Life is a whirlwind of demands, distractions, doubts, dreams. Stoicism hands you a compass to navigate it with purpose, weaving focus, clarity, and connection. You need no tools or hours, just a Stoicism journal, a spark, and these Stoicism practices to guide you. These Stoicism daily habits shape your work into a masterpiece of intention and impact. The world's rush, notifications, pressures, chaos can steal your focus. But Stoic philosophy, rooted in Stoicism lessons, shows you how to slow down and soar. These Stoicism exercises turn tasks into triumphs, keeping your mental health vibrant and your spirit steady. Try Anchor of Intent tonight. Feel its power. Keep slowing, and your Stoicism daily habits will build a Stoicism mindset that's focused, grounded, and yours. Stoicism is simple to spark. A pen, 5 minutes, resolve. That's all it takes. Each Stoicism exercise is a light, small yet mighty, crafting a Stoicism mindset that endures. You'll work smarter where others rush, connect where others drift, shine where others fade. That's the power of Stoicism practice. It shapes Stoicism on love and a life you're meant to live, ideal for Stoicism for women and Stoicism for beginners. Your tasks don't define you. Your focus does. These Stoicism exercises are your compass to turn chaos into clarity, haste into purpose, and work into meaning. If this stirred your soul, comment, "I slow to soar." Share your favorite Stoicism exercise, maybe stillness of clarity or dawn of discipline, and join our 7-day Stoic Compass Challenge. Pick one Stoicism practice, live it daily, and tag a friend to join. Hit like, subscribe to Stoic Rain for more Stoicism motivation and Stoicism lessons, and share this with someone lost in life's rush, ready for Stoic philosophy's focus and calm, packed with Stoic quotes. Your power is your focus. Your strength is your calm. With these Stoicism daily practices, you're not just working, you're crafting a life of purpose and impact. Let's slow down with Stoic Rain.